Hey, so tonight's project is flashing my 2019 GLI to stage 2. So I got the battery tender hooked up, prevent any problems. So, alright, so I'm going to flash my car to stage 2 from Integrated Engineering. I went with IE because I thought the price was pretty good and their numbers were nice. Also, they have a low torque stage 2 product. So, you need their direct port flashing tool. Nice little dongle. Comes in a nice case. So, I can flash back to stock anytime I want. It's one of the reasons I decided to go with them. I've been running their stage 1 for I think 5,000 miles now. I got 8,500 on my car. Again, it's a 2019 GLI Autobahn. 5,000 miles so far. It's been really fun. Haven't had any issues, no clutch slippage. I'm hoping that going to stage 2 I won't experience that on the stock clutch. 6-speed. They say that the higher torque applications tend to maybe wear out the clutch, or the stock clutch can't actually hold the power as well as the DSG can. Alright, so we have Integrated Engineering's Flash Wizard tool. I'm going to flash a stage 2 93 octane low torque file to my 2019 GLI. I've got all the supporting mods, the downpipe, the intercooler, the intake, plus some extra stuff. I recommend before doing anything, you're going to want to disable your antivirus. I'm using Avast, but whatever you have, just temporarily disable it. I had an issue flashing to stage 1. I think it was not allowing it through the firewall and it was failing halfway through. I disabled it and it worked. It didn't break the ECU or anything. The software is pretty good. It reverted. So I've got the direct port programmer. They sell it for $150. It's required if you want to use their software. But once you have it, you just buy credits and buy the software, and you can tune the file that you've paid for, and you can flash back to stock, or you can switch between different octanes. So it's a pretty handy tool, especially if you want to bring it back to the dealer and you want to go back to stock temporarily. So I've got the ignition on, but the engine is off. I've got the programmer plugged into the OBD port. I'm going to click tune. I've got the car hooked to a battery tender, like it recommends here, just so there's no power failures. I've got it plugged in. I'm going to hit next. I've got the ignition to on. It's going to do some identification of the vehicle that it's connected to. As you can see, I'm running the stage 1 low torque currently, 93 octane. The upgrade to stage 2 is only $100. You just buy the credits from them and you plug in the serial number for your flash programmer, and you'll be able to upgrade from there. So I'm going to pick stage 2 low torque, 93 octane. So it says it requires fuel and DSG tune or clutch upgrade. I got a 6-speed, I got a stock clutch. I'm going to see how long I can ride it out for. Not ride the clutch out, but see how long the clutch will last before I need an upgrade. It was holding pretty well through stage 1 low torque. And the torque figures for the 93 octane stage 2 are actually they're basically the same thing as stage 1. So it shouldn't be too much of a problem, but we'll see. And here we go. I'm going to flash it. My car meets those requirements. See, I bought 100 credits last night. I'm going to tune it using those 100 credits. And here goes the flash. I gotta say, compared to stage 1 flash, this is lightning fast. Stage 1 tune took about 30 to 45 minutes. This one looks like it's doing it in under 2. There we go. So the program comes with a few extras. You could read codes, engine transmission. You can clear the codes too. It's good in case you don't have a VAGCOM or the OBD11 or anything else. You can log some data. Get a good choice between parameters. Don't know what drain fuel is? So the stage 2 software, I believe, comes with a free exhaust crackle file. So I'm gonna see if I can check that out. So just like before, when you're flashing, hook it up to the battery tender, plug the dongle in, put it to on mode, don't start the car. It's got to connect to the car, and then it connects to their servers. See what they got. So it looks like the crackles is only available with the 91 and 93 high torque file. So I'm not going to try that out on a stock clutch. It does say 0 credits, so it is free. I guess I'll check that out once I blow up my clutch and get a new one. Well, get an upgraded one. I guess alright, that'll be for the future. Just to show, I can at any time go back to stock, 0 credits. I could also switch between 93 and 91, also 0 credits for those if I want to go back to stage 1. Same for stage 2. I can switch between those files. And if I ever do decide to go to the high torque file, I can switch to any one of these. So in total, it was $650 for the software, $150 for the programming cable. So you're looking at $800, and you basically get access to all of their software. And the stage 2 low torque, I believe the chart said it's 325 horsepower, 343 torque, which I think is pretty good, and it's a good price. So I'm not going to flash anything else. I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to take it for a test drive. Thanks for watching.